They will be in store, so if you're in Texas, girl, I got you. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys sell lip gloss. What shade is your favorite? Like, do you like more pinks, purples, nudes, reds? I think mine is pink and purple. I really love those two colors. I don't know why. And I just got into the purple. But let me know down below what's your favorite color. If you make lip gloss, what's your favorite shade that you love making or whatever. But yeah, here are my lip gloss, and I'm about to make some content. This is what I'm telling you guys. All I'm doing is shipping this order, and it's the perfect time to get content for you. I'm getting content for YouTube, I'm getting content for Instagram. So you definitely want to do this. Everything that you do in your business is content worthy, so take advantage of that, and people want to see that. Okay, so you don't have to be stressed about, oh, you don't have this to post and not to post, which when you do have things to post, you're just not recording it or taking pictures of it. So just keep that in mind. Everything is content. So everything is content, girl. So yeah, I'm about to finish taking pictures, and I'm gonna post this on Instagram right now. I can't wait until my new shades come in, but I'm gonna insert the pictures on the screen that I just took. And if you guys need help on taking pictures for your business, I have a whole video on it. I think I have 1 or 2 videos on it. So just check out my channel and you will see it. Make sure you guys watch all the videos in the Girl Boss playlist, because there's a lot of information that I give you guys for free. A lot of great information that I use. So I have the rest of the products out that I'm going to be sending out to my retailer in Texas. And then at the bottom of the boxes, I'm going to use these dot labels that I got from Dollar Tree and write like codes on them. So if they want to go online and shop or whatever, they'll have a code on the back of them. For instance, this shade is called Girl Boss, so I think I'm just gonna put GB at the bottom, and this is only something temporary until I'm able to print them all out and get them exactly how I want it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I have some sample necklaces that I'm gonna be sending her, and I have to fill those lash boxes up. But yeah, so this is just the behind the scenes of me shipping out an order to a retailer. I'm just gonna hurry and write the codes on here and place them on there, and I'm going to staple put those in the bag and then staple them. So I'll show you guys that. The code for today is SHIP. And if you guys have been keeping up with my channel and you watch all of my videos, you know that I give you guys a code to get access to my webinar replays for free. Before purchasing, make sure you guys are reading the description box. Please read the description box, because if you don't, you're most likely going to be confused. And yeah, so make sure you guys head over to my website, use the code SHIP. You'll be able to get one of my webinar replays for free. So this code is only valid once. It's only valid for one person. So thank you to those that come to my channel every day, see if I upload it, and check my videos out and watch as soon as I upload it. So this is just me giving back to you guys. Congratulations to whoever receives the webinar replay for free. And if you guys still want to invest in yourself, of course you can still purchase it. It's only $9.99, and you can use any code for money off. So yeah, okay, so back to the video. Hey guys, so I have the lip glosses in boxes with labels, and here are the dot labels out of the pack. This is how they look. And what I did was I just wrote here's the side that you write on, and here's the back side. So all I did was take a pen and just wrote 2 letters. So if the lip gloss was called Golden Girl, I wrote GG. And then what I did was I opened the bottom flap up, and then I put it inside there just because it's handwritten and it's not professional. So my next order, I will show you guys how to do it professionally and print it out. But I have to get this like shipped like right now, so I just did what I could do. But that's why it's nice to keep little things like this in your office or just in your workspace, just so you can have it just in case something happens or whatever. So yeah, so I have these. Now I'm going to put these necklaces in these bags. Okay, so here are these. I'm just going to take the necklace drop it in. And I am going to staple these since they are going to be in store. They won't come with those little baggies, so let me get the stapler. Okay, there we go. Got it. Y'all see her? She's full. Okay, let's do a test. Yay. Okay, so here is the necklace, and I am just going to, so as you guys can see, it's stapled on there, and it still looks really cute. And then let's see this one. If you guys are interested in any of these necklaces that you guys see, please check out my website, kdkbeauty.com, and go shop. Use the code YouTube for a percentage off. Put this one in there. Take this and stick it right there. And then we have one more that I want to send to her just so she can check them out. And these necklaces are so cute. They start at $1.99, so they're very, very affordable, and they will make great Christmas gifts. So I'm going to put this in here. And there we go. So now we have all of these. This is how they look, super cute. I'm just gonna place those right here. And yeah, so I want to send her those so she can see what they look like and see if she likes them or whatever. So now I'm going to get a box. One of these boxes. So let's see. Okay, so y'all, my ring light still does not work. I tried to fix it and it like fell apart. So I'm going to email the company because like I have no idea how it fell apart. It just literally screwed off. So that's weird. Okay, so I'm going to put these in here. They should all fit because I should be able to stack them on top of each other. It looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. So this is how it looks, so cute. And then I'm going to put the necklaces right on top. And one of my postcards. Put the necklaces right on top, and then add one of my postcards and this. Okay, and then close it shut. Fits perfect. So I have a mess. It's the next day and now I am going to just clean up and stuff and get everything back organized how it was. And yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I will be uploading all weekend, and yeah, so you guys know I try to upload 5 out of 7 days of the week. So yeah, check out my channel every single day because I may have an upload. And thank you to those that are supporting me every single time I upload. I really appreciate it more than you guys know. Like, y'all don't even understand. But yeah, if you guys want to support my brand, use the code YouTube for a percentage off, and stay tuned for more uploads because your girl got a whole bunch of stuff coming up that you do not want to miss. So just tune in every time I post. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, boss friends. Bye.